Sometimes you want to control the data other people enter. That's when you need data validation. Select the cells you want to limit, then Data, Data validation. There are several controls. You can make sure just numbers are added, or a particular text length, like for a phone number. For this example, we'll select Time. We'll choose between the times we are open, a start time of 8 o'clock a.m. and an end time of 5 o'clock p.m. On the Input Message tab, you can customize a message that people will see. You can also customize the error message, but we'll just use the default. Select OK. When one of the cells is selected, everyone will see the input message reminder. Times can be inputted, but when a time is outside the range, it is not allowed.